raining. So I'll just pick his feet out and then we'll get on and go up to the top to sign in. Good boy, Foot. Good boy. So it's a good job to make these hoods nice and big so you can get a helmet under. So, wouldn't you know, raining. Lovely fine day yesterday, today, raining. Get me these are my lightweight gloves. It's a good boy. Yeah, shame about the weather, isn't it? Had such a lovely sunny day yesterday. We just can't seem to get 2 days of sunshine in a row. And trot. And good boy. Thank you. So it's Tara, Steendyke and Farouk.
Sorry, who?
Tara, Steendyke.
Oh yeah, got your name.
Great, that's
Lovely.
great, yes.
So we have got a long course and a short course.
Yeah, long course, how long is that?
It's 9.5 if you include a trip round the whole common before you start.
Oh yes.
So there's a mile around the common. And
Yes.
then you go up this way and follow up and then turn right into the woods.
Yes.
And so it's 8.5 miles that way.
Oh right. So to go around, you just what, on this side or the other side?
You'll see the signs everywhere.
Oh good.
Start there.
Yes, lovely. Well, thank you very much. So 9 miles if we go a mile round the common, which we might as well do, haven't we? So we set off at, so it's taken us to get from home to actually setting off an hour and 20 minutes. And it's, I think she said it was 9 miles, didn't she? Well, it's not horrendous rain, and I've put my hood up, which is nice because it stops it trickling down the back of your neck, doesn't it? So this is a good little, it's a cycling jacket really, or a walking jacket. No, I think it's a cycling jacket. That's right, it's a cycling jacket because they've allowed extra room for the cycle helmet underneath your hood, so that's good. Turn, Rot. Walk. Good boy. Walk on. No, it's just mud. No, come on. Come on. Yes, good boy. It's funny, isn't it? Loves rolling in the stuff, but getting his little hooves in mud, no, it's not good. No, come on through. No, Farouk, don't be silly. Oi! Oi! Don't be silly, it's just some tyres and a white container. Come on now. He's quite fit now, so trouble is the fitter they get, the more spooky he seems to get. So we're not in a rush, it's just a pleasure ride, so I'll just walk along until I feel that he's all comfortable in his mind. I have got a bit of a muscle tightness in my left leg, which is a bit annoying because it comes and goes, and I've been to see Darren, our osteopath, and he has helped enormously, but I think I need to go again. So it's just such a shame, isn't it, really? As you get older, you get all these things going on that you never used to have going on in your life before. And Turrot. So bluebells are out. Now to pick your feet up, Farouk, that was an unnecessary stumble, wasn't it? I've got to say they do look after this common. It's much better than the common we have at Appletonley Moors, where they just turn the sheep out and they do nothing with the land. People are allowed to graze sheep that have the right to graze sheep on that common, and they're allowed so many sheep to the common. Not everybody can put the sheep on, but the trouble is they don't look after it, and then it starts getting really weedy and nasty because they just don't bother fertilising it. They don't top it off where the weeds and that are. Whereas this one is quite nice around the edges. Anyway, I don't know about internally. I can see bracken and stuff, but that's all right, as long as horses don't eat, of course. Turrot. Don't know if we've perhaps missed a sign, but we seem to have got onto the road now. Let's get up here. I think we must have missed a sign because I'm sure they wouldn't want us to go on the road, really. Not when you've got all that common to ride on. Not sure if it's going back across the road or up this side. There's a sign there, but I don't know if it's pointing, if it's the one I've seen coming in, maybe. And trot. Oh yeah, I think it's pointing up there. I think, or is that the sign pointing down there? Oh no, sign pointing down there, so God knows. Right, you can see that grass there. That's reeds, so you know that that's boggy, so you don't want to be going across there. There's an arrow, look. too, what? Gorse is a beautiful flower, deep yellow, but so prickly. Certainly wouldn't want it in your garden. Definitely on the boggy side, isn't it, Farouk? Look at the big holes that the hooves have made. Good boy. So, stream, go on. Yes, but it's into puddle monsters. Good boy. Walk on. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. We love reading the comments, we love emojis, and we'd love a thumbs up. We have over 2,000 videos. If you would like to look at some more, all you need to do is click on the Apollo icon, which will take you to our home page, and then you can select videos or playlists. Thanks for watching. TTFN.